CIOs' top hiring challenges. How to attract top IT talent. Is your company struggling to find and keep top-tier IT talent? You're not alone. In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, where AI, quantum computing, and advanced robotics are becoming increasingly prevalent, Chief Information Officers, CIOs, face an uphill battle in securing the skilled professionals they need. But here's where it gets controversial. Is the talent shortage real? Or are companies simply not adapting their hiring strategies to meet the needs of modern tech workers? According to Byron Love, Cybersecurity Program Director at Nightwing, a security and intelligence solutions provider, CIOs are actively seeking individuals with expertise in AI, automation, cloud technologies, cybersecurity, and data analytics. However, there's fierce competition for this elite talent, causing a significant gap between talent requirements and the candidates available on the market, Love explains. This gap isn't just about finding warm bodies. It's about finding individuals who can truly drive innovation and keep your organization competitive. Overcoming the talent acquisition hurdle. One of the biggest hurdles is finding candidates who possess both deep technical expertise and a broad understanding of integrated systems. Chase Snuffer, CIO at Rayburn Electric Cooperative, a not-for-profit electric cooperative in Texas, highlights this challenge. Too often, we encounter individuals who are highly specialized, strong in one vertical, such as cybersecurity or networking. Snuffer emphasizes the importance of finding individuals who can thrive in an IT culture that values adaptability and forward-thinking. We're not a massive enterprise, but we move fast, and we invest early in modern platforms, he says. This can be a tough adjustment for candidates coming from slower-moving or highly segmented organizations. It's about finding people who not only can do the job, but also want to do the job in your specific environment. Justice Erlin, CTO at BearsDev, a company specializing in software development, software outsourcing, and staff augmentation services, points out another key challenge: sifting through a mountain of resumes. It's hard to spot great talent when your recruitment teams are flooded with resumes, especially if you haven't honed an efficient, skills-focused screening process, Erlin observes. He also notes that the competition for top tech talent is fierce, with companies of all sizes vying for the same skilled professionals. Big tech is no longer the only place where great engineers can work, Erlin says. Companies of every size and in every industry need those specialists to bring their projects to life. This means smaller companies need to be even more creative and proactive in their recruitment efforts. Practical strategies for success. So, what can CIOs do to overcome these challenges? Successful CIOs build high-performing teams that embrace collaboration, chemistry, and trust, creating an environment where individuals can thrive even amidst technological disruptions, says Love. But they also face a difficult decision. Do they hire quickly to fill immediate gaps, or do they wait to find candidates who are a perfect fit both technically and culturally? Snuffer's approach is proactive and pipeline-focused. We found success by taking a proactive, pipeline-first approach, he says. Our internship program has been a real asset. 3 out of 4 interns we've hosted since 2017 now work here full-time. He also emphasizes the importance of expanding the candidate pool by recruiting nationally and offering flexible, hybrid work arrangements. This allows companies to tap into a wider range of talent and attract individuals who might not be willing to relocate or work in a traditional office setting. Snuffer also advocates for practicality over perfection. Rather than search endlessly for unicorn candidates, we've invested in upskilling and internal development, he explains. We cross-train aggressively, support continuing education, and rely on peer mentoring. This approach not only fills skills gaps, but also fosters a culture of continuous learning and development, which can be a major draw for top talent. Erlin advises focusing on a candidate's abilities rather than just their credentials. Look beyond the traditional tech profile and focus on a candidate's abilities, he suggests. Simulate real-world problems and assess their skills. This allows you to see how a candidate performs under pressure and whether they can apply their knowledge to solve practical challenges. Love emphasizes the importance of cultivating employee performance and satisfaction. Encourage and incentivize employees to refer candidates who are not only technically qualified, but also fit strongly with the culture, he says. He also stresses the need for technology managers to be effective people leaders with strong emotional intelligence, cultural awareness, and team-building skills. The long game, building a future-ready team. Ultimately, CIOs need to think long-term. It's all about building a resilient, future-ready team that can scale with the business, Snuffer says. Our role as CIOs is to cultivate an environment in which people grow, systems evolve, and IT becomes a strategic driver, not just a cost center. This requires a shift in mindset from viewing IT as a support function to recognizing its potential as a source of innovation and competitive advantage. Erlin warns against treating hiring as a one-off transaction. Continuous investment in internal career tracks, team culture, and learning opportunities can transform your organization from just another job site into a top destination for top tech talent. This means creating a culture where employees feel valued, supported, and challenged, and where they have opportunities to grow and advance their careers. Love concludes that today's CIO role demands not only technical expertise, but also strategic vision and strong leadership. Organizations that prioritize team cohesion and leadership development alongside technical acumen will be best positioned to attract and retain top talent and to weather future technology disruptions. So what do you think? Is the IT talent shortage a myth, or are companies simply failing to adapt? And what strategies have you found most effective in attracting and retaining top tech talent? Share your thoughts in the comments below.